Okay, so explorer confirm drag and drop by default this is set to true, and this is what happens when you drag and drop a file to another folder. You get this little confirmation box. Now, if you choose to set this setting to false, or you tick this checkbox, you're going to set, actually, you need to tick it and move. And now it's set to false. And now when you move, it's not going to ask you for confirmation. However, I do enjoy having confirmation because usually it's not very common for me to move files around. And it may happen, just a click and drag and I move the file somewhere on a folder I don't even know about. So I'd rather just have the confirmation box. It makes the experience a little bit better.